Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Libra. So please see your placements for Sun, Moon, Rising. And let's get into our reading straight away. The first card that I have for my Librans right here is the Three of Chalices. Some kind of celebration is definitely on the cards for you in the month of August. There seems to be a get together. It could be at in your personal life, or it could be related to your work life, because somebody has achieved something, like some target has been hit, which is why there's a celebration. This could also mean at your workplace, gossip might be going on, things can be going on. The time for you right now is to just feel, go with the flow of what the situation is like. The next card that I have is the Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands tell me that particularly for this, that you will be attending whatever event this is one thing that I can see. The other thing that I can see is that you guys are finally going to make a move towards something. There is something that you have been thinking about, something you have been feeling, evaluating, but it has been internal, so you have not really expressed what you want to do with it. But moving forward, I do see you actively taking a physical step towards it. At the bottom of the deck I have sorry at the bottom of the deck I have the Six of Pentacles, which means that you are planning for the future. Something is definitely going on for the future. There could be a sense of that you might travel, you might take a leave from work and travel to help somebody in need, perhaps a family member. Those things can also be seen. The next card that I have for you is the Sid number 14, which is number 5. There could be some kind of confusion as to a decision making or a situation, but mostly what I'm feeling is, despite the confusion, I do feel that your gut feeling is working. Your gut feeling is telling you what to do, but you're just not sure if you should, go with your gut feeling. You're doubting yourself, you're doubting your capabilities, which is exactly what is going to give you some kind of stress. So you're going to be stressed. You'll be like, oh my god, why is this happening to me? Why can't I figure out how things should be done? And there are also chances of staying up at night. There's also a possibility somebody that you know could be sick. I hope they get well soon, but it does look like somebody in the family could be sick, or somebody that you know could be sick. The Nine of Pentacles also tells me that you have, sorry, Nine of Swords, that you are trying to communicate. You want to communicate, you're trying to express your thoughts, your emotions, but you can't. And then I have the King of Pentacles. So in terms of King of Pentacles, you could be dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Aquarius, or Libra, and you may want to say something to them. This person could be a boss or could be a colleague, but they're just not understanding. So despite how hectic the month looks like, you'll be, towards the middle of the month, as of right now, uh, you are stressed and you want to say your piece, but you can't really say your piece for some reason at the moment. So what you're doing is you are sulking. You are trying to just hope for the best. You're trying to imagine good things are going to come your way and everything will work out. Everything will be amazing, but it does seem like despite all the magic that is going on, you're going to be left heartbroken at the end. So something may not happen according to what you want, or the things that you are expecting, they may not happen that way, and which is why I have the Three of Swords. So some kind of disappointment. It could also mean that, because I'm seeing promotion, but it's going to be very small chance that there is going to be promotion for you. Rather, what I'm seeing is I'm seeing promotion for somebody else, and something is going to come into spotlight towards the end of the month. So something that you've been dodging, something that you don't want to talk about, you don't want to express, is finally going to come into play and will finally make some sense to people. Now this is number two. Number two, that as in it's related to the moon. So emotionally, be very very careful, my lovely Scorpions, because there are chances you might be sleepless, you might have a lot of stress. And also, the south node is currently sitting in the sun, is transiting through the sign of Scorpio, so that is also important, so pay attention to that. From Moonology deck, the first card that I have for you is, what do you need to release? So something has to go, something needs to go very very quickly, especially, and from what I can see in this reading, it's possibly your your stress that needs to go away, because you're holding on to a lot of things. You have a lot of expectations in regards to growth in your career. I'm not seeing a lot of growth. Maybe there would be appreciation for all the efforts you're doing, but nothing other than that. For very few people there's a chance of promotion, for very very few, so I would not generalize it. The next card that I have from Moonology deck is Hold Your Vision, which is Fixed Moon. So, what they're trying to tell you is that you need to plan for the future. You need to plan long term. And if there is something that you are holding back and you're not saying well, the suggestion from the cards is take this time to actually vent, to express your feelings, to express whatever it is that you're going through. So, things work out well, everything works out well. Um, and yeah, that's all.